Hi, welcome back to HPC 5753 Marriage and Family Therapy Law and Ethics video. In this video, we're going to look at online encyclopedias, often an overlooked resource that can be very helpful to any kind of research you're doing, and especially in this one, as we look at some specific law-related encyclopedias. But just remember that these can be used in other courses where you need to get an overview of a particular topic. And so let's go ahead and start looking at those. I'm going to go again to the library homepage, and we're going to go to databases and e-research tools. And instead of going to databases by name or by subject, we're going to go to databases by type. And the second item down the list is encyclopedias and dictionaries. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and we see a list of various online encyclopedias, some of them very subject specific, some of them general, that look at a number of various things. We're going to look at two of them, and the first one I want to show you is Credo Reference. If we go to Credo Reference, it looks at a lot of small encyclopedias. In this case, I've already typed this in. I want to look at adoption and law and just show you the kinds of resources that this will bring to you. As you can see, it gives me a list, over 1,000 items in here. Of course, I put in a very general search, adoption and law. But you can see it's in the Macmillan Encyclopedia, Columbia New Encyclopedia of Judaism, Encyclopedia of Religion and Law in America, and so on. So this is one resource you can use. I want to go back and show you another one. After Credo, the next one down is Gale Virtual Reference Library. This is the one I want you to pay most attention to in this particular, for this particular course. In Gale Virtual Reference Library, there's a couple of very good encyclopedias of the law. There's the West Encyclopedia of Law, which is from the same company that brought us Westlaw Next database that we were looking at previously. I'm going to go ahead and do a search in the Gale Virtual Reference Library, though, overall, and search for adoption and law. And just take a look at what we've got. And there's well over 1,000 in here as well. Now, and you can see there's the Gale Encyclopedia of Everyday Law, West Encyclopedia of American Law, and so on. The second one here, West Encyclopedia of American Law, is the resource that I want you to pay most attention to. Before we click on that, though, I wanted to show you on the right, we could limit. Of course, we could limit by searching within our results, by getting something more specific if it seemed that we got too many hits or we weren't quite getting to what we were looking for. We could also limit by the actual publication title. In this case, West Encyclopedia is the one I was most interested in showing you. It looks like there's 130 articles related in some way to adoption. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now, all of the resources in this list have something to do with adoption law. But I just want to show you those limitations, those limiters they're called, on the right hand side. And we're going to click on the main article here, Adoption in West Encyclopedia of American Law, just to show you that an encyclopedia can give an overview of various aspects of a topic, in this case all related to the law in some way, and can help you to get a grasp of all the basics of your topic, and whatever that may be, as well as other related topics that you can also search. Well, thank you very much. This concludes a very brief introduction to online encyclopedias. Feel free to use those in doing basic research before perhaps looking at more detailed types of resources, such as scholarly journal articles. Thank you. This is Alan Sherlin at Belk Library.